As an entrepreneur, one of the biggest challenges is to stay focused and do one thing. One of the biggest challenges of being an entrepreneur is that you're constantly coming up with new ideas. So you maybe think of a new business idea. Literally every day you get a good idea about you could do this, you could start this, you could build that business, and you think, fantastic, I want to do this, I want to do that. And it's really hard to focus on one thing. And the reality is we'll never do very well by doing lots and lots of different things. We'll do well by focusing on one thing until that thing starts producing really good results for us. So when we look at the different businesses that we're doing, we try to see how can we build this business up on its own for it to work well, operate well on its own, produce good income for us, and maybe support our related businesses, and those related businesses can give it a little boost and lift as well to get it started. So one of the challenges that I had at the beginning really was, as an entrepreneur, to get focused, to get the blinkers on, and to not get distracted by other things. And then only when the business starts doing really well, that you then start looking, okay, I can put the systems and processes in for this to continue to operate while I now start looking at something else, or there's other businesses you've got your attention on. Now, sometimes we will call this like 80-20, where 80% of our focus is on one thing and 20% is something else that we're looking at and exploring at the moment. Because once it's 80% is up and running and operational, then we start shifting our effort and moving that 80 over to the 20% business and find the next 20 thing that we're looking at. So yes, we'll probably start new businesses, we'll add other businesses into what we're doing, but we always look to see how are they related to what we're doing and how can they support each other. Hey, if you're enjoying these short videos that we're doing called Saj Dailies, then make sure you also check out our longer form content that we have on the channel. There's probably about 300 videos that are on the channel that we've uploaded over the last few years, and there's a lot more content uploaded regularly. And if you're enjoying it, then make sure you click on that like button. Also subscribe to the channel, but more importantly, leave me a comment. Let me know what it is about these videos you're particularly enjoying and particularly liking. And once you've done that, make sure you click on this video and I'll see you over here next.